Hello dear viewer, welcome to my channel. I would like to express my solidarity with the people of Morocco because they have experienced a powerful 7 magnitude earthquake recently, actually on Friday. And what I'm surprised about is that some politicians in Europe, they haven't expressed solidarity with the people of Morocco because due to this earthquake at least 1,500 people died and there are many injured. So you can imagine the loss of life and the damage. So I was surprised that I haven't seen a solidarity message on the community page of some European politicians, and I would like to express my solidarity with the people in Morocco on behalf of Hungarian government. So anyway, that was what I wanted to share, and I don't know what else to add, except I should just remind all of you that kindness is lacking in the world, and it doesn't matter what you believe in, as long as you have a kind heart for others. So I don't believe that people from a Muslim country, that they don't deserve solidarity. They do deserve solidarity, just like if this tragic event had occurred elsewhere. So we should remember this, and please pray for the people who have been affected by this tragedy. And we should just think about why these things are happening across the world. Earlier this year in Turkey, a powerful earthquake, actually 2 earthquakes on the same day, a 7.7 and a 7.6 magnitude earthquake struck southern-eastern Turkey. So we should remember these things and draw conclusion from that and understand what is happening. There is so much evil in this world, and people no longer care about one another, and so much everything is about happiness, like just be happy, be yourself. And I find that particularly wrong because it leaves an uncaring, empty vacuum, that if people just care about their own happiness, it's not going to leave any room for other things, because solidarity will be missing. So anyway, thank you for watching this video patiently. Appreciate if you watched this video. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Goodbye.